Welcome everybody to our channel. Today we should compute standard deviation by using shortcut method. So let's start our today's topic, computation of standard deviation under shortcut method. Given series is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. It is an individual series. Here we should compute standard deviation by using shortcut method. So first of all, we should take an assumed mean, that is 30 of the given series, and then we should find out deviation, that is x minus a, or our assumed mean. So the d is 10 minus 30, that is minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Now we should find out square of deviation, that is d square. So minus 20 square is our 400, square of 10 100, square of 0 is 0, and 10 square equals to 100, and 20 square is 400. Then find out summation of d square, that is 400 plus 100 plus 0 plus 100 plus 400, that is our 1000, and summation of d is our minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. So minus plus should be here cancelled. So our summation d is our 0. Then we should compute standard deviation by using the rules under shortcut method, that is standard deviation equals to whole root of summation d square by n minus whole square of summation d by n. Now replacing the values, we should get summation d square by n, that is 1000 by n. Here n is number of items, that is 5, minus summation d is 0, so the total value is our 0, then whole root over, that is 1000 by 5, that is 200 root over. So the value of our standard deviation is whole root of 200, that is positive square root of 200, that is 14.14. So the value of standard deviation of the given series under shortcut method is 14.14. Whereas in case of our discrete and continuous series, here the frequency of the given series is given. So in this case we should multiply the frequency with the deviations in order to find out fd, and in order to find out fd square we should multiply frequency with d square, or the square of the deviations. Then we can use the formula, that is summation fd square by n minus summation fd by n's whole squares whole root over, in order to find out the value of our standard deviation. And here, or in case of discrete or continuous series, n should be the summation of frequencies, or the total frequencies should be taken as the n in case of discrete and continuous series. Then we should replace the values of the different variables in order to compute the value of our standard deviation. Whereas in case of continuous series, deviation should be calculated by differentiating midpoint with our assumed mean. Here m is the midpoint of different classes and a is the assumed mean of the given series. So in case of continuous series, we should compute deviations by differentiating midpoint with the assumed mean, and then d should be multiplied with frequencies in order to find out fd, and again frequency should be multiplied with the square of deviations in order to find out fd square. Then you use the same rules in case of continuous series and discrete series for the computation of the value of the standard deviation under shortcut method. So the computation of standard deviation by using step deviation method should be uploaded in our next video. So in order to get the notification, first of all, you must subscribe our channel. Thank you.